this video, I'm going to show you how to check which apps are utilizing different types of permissions for your phone. So let's swipe down from the top first. Swipe down again. Hit the little gear icon. Go down to where you see permissions. And it's under, let's see, right here on the privacy. And then you want to go to permission manager. Okay, and these are all the things that your apps are going to ask permissions to. And let's say, for example, you want to check which apps have access to the microphone. Tap the microphone. And then that gives you a list of all the apps that have access to that particular part of your phone, the microphone. You could do like which apps have permissions for the camera, for instance, also. And then you can, once you get into, you can modify it to the type of, like if I want to say I want to allow it to do certain things, and then if you click on the app that's using it, you can drill down a little bit to see what further permissions you can give it. Like for example, this is my Amazon shopping. I want to give it permission only while I'm using the app, not all the time, and I don't want to bother with it asking me every time. So I started to allow only while using the app. And that's it. That comes in handy, and you can check all the apps that are using different types of permissions for your phone. Hope that helps. Thanks.